The new data grid mode for tables supports tab key navigation. Double-clicking a cell or hitting enter on the keyboard to immediately edit a field. This mode comes with cleaner preset style defaults to allow users to quickly edit fields without visual clutters. With data grid mode, tables can be a great option for power users who want to get out of spreadsheets. In addition to the new data grid mode, you can now change the table mode from one of these 4 table modes: data grid, read with inline edit, edit mode, and read only. In the Skuid page, you can choose table and select the default mode from one of these 4 options. You can also change the table mode from the action framework.